Small in size but mighty in performance, meet the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. This pocket-sized dash cam records in sharp 1080p HD with a wide 140-degree field of view, capturing every detail on the road. With features like voice control, automatic incident detection, and parking guard, it's proof that great things come in small packages. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Low-profile adhesive mount. Vehicle power cable. Dual USB power adapter. And documentation. Want to grab the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. With 1080p HD video, a 140-degree lens, and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, you'll be able to record crisp video of important details day and night. This car key-sized dash cam goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. The ultra-compact device is powered by a slim cable, which features two routing options, upward or downward, for a tidy and discreet installation. Once plugged into your vehicle's power source, you can just set it and forget it. The camera continually records and automatically saves video of detected incidents with date and timestamps to show exactly when events occurred. See important details more clearly and reduce windshield glare, thanks to the built-in Garmin Clarity Polarizer lens enhancement. The Vault makes it easy to securely share your important videos. With a paid Vault subscription and Wi-Fi connectivity, saved video clips are accessible by using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Keep your hands on the wheel by using voice commands to tell the camera to save video and start or stop audio recording. This feature is available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two methods to install your dash cam. Method 1, via the cigarette lighter socket. Method 2, via hardwiring your dash cam to your car's fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Insert a Class 10 or higher microSD card into the slot beside the microphone button. A memory card must be installed before recording can begin. When first powered on, format the card by pressing and holding the microphone button for 8 seconds until the LEDs turn green. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive mount carefully, making sure not to touch the sticky surface. Position the camera and mount in the exact spot you've chosen. Then press it firmly against the windshield. Maintain steady pressure for at least 30 seconds to help the adhesive make full contact with the glass. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the car charger to the dash cam, then insert the DC-in plug into the car's cigarette lighter socket securely. Ensure the connection is firm, and the dash cam powers on when the vehicle is started. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the black ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. App connection. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download or install the Garmin Drive app. Make sure your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Power on your Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 and open the Garmin Drive app. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your camera via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The app will guide you through the pairing process and confirm once your device is linked successfully. Once paired, you can use the app to adjust dash cam settings, view live footage, and manage saved videos. It also enables advanced features like Parking Guard, which alerts you if an incident is detected while your vehicle is parked. This completes the setup for full functionality. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. See you in the next one.